Hey guys, how are you doing? This year COVID 19 has compelled us to rethink immunity and how we approach deadly viruses. Today I will pick 15 amazing herbs that can definitely boost our health and immunity. Let's start with the easiest one. Peppermint. This is the easiest herb you can grow in your balcony, windowsill, or in hanging baskets. Archaeological evidences say that it's the world's oldest medicine, tracing back 10,000 years ago. It's good for our digestive system, calms stress, anxiety, and also a natural breath freshener. You can easily root mint cuttings just in water and start growing your own. There's already a video on my channel about growing mint cuttings in water. I will share the link in the description box for your easy access. Rosemary is a very fragrant herb generally used for drinks and cocktails. But the amazing thing is it's rich with vitamin B6, antioxidants and minerals. Growing rosemary is very easy from cuttings or from seeds. In India, September or October is the best time to sow seeds as the night temperature comes down below 25 degrees Celsius. Indian ginseng or ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is native to drier parts of India. It is a perennial herb and usually propagated by division, cuttings or seed. Starting from seeds is the best way to propagate them. All plant parts are used including the roots, bark, leaves, fruit and seed. It is used to treat nerves disorder, intestinal infections and leprosy. Growing lavender is also very easy and rewarding. It can be grown in garden beds or in pots. To grow successfully, it needs well-draining soil and full sun. This is actually a perennial herb, though in Indian humid climate it is grown as an annual. Since ancient times, lavender has been used to treat anxiety, insomnia, depression and mental health issues. Dill is an annual herb in the celery family Apiaceae. Mainly the leaves and seeds are used as herb or spice for flavoring food. It is very low in calories, yet a surprisingly good source of several essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and vitamin A. You can grow dill from seeds you buy for kitchen. Asparagus. Asparagus is a woody perennial. It thrives along sandy and loamy soil rich with nutrients. Sometimes it is used to help with weight loss and to reduce high blood pressure. Other uses include treatment of joint pain, hormonal imbalance, nerve pain, AIDS and cancer. Root division is the most popular method of propagation but can be started from seeds. Basil. It is one of the most popular and widely grown herbs in the world for its aroma and flavor. It is an annual herb that works well as pest deterrent in vegetable and flower gardens. Start basil from seeds or cuttings and never worry about common colds, stomach and kidney problems. It is also good for diabetic patients, so it's a must-have for your garden. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has a long history as a medicinal plant. It is a clump-forming succulent and continually produces little offsets or pups. Pull out these pups and plant them with a good succulent mix. You will have aloe vera all over the pot very quickly. It is a very good source of vitamin A, B, C and E. Due to its positive effects on the skin, aloe vera is believed to help in sustaining youth. Stevia is a perennial herb normally used as a natural herbal sweetener. It is a short plant growing up to 2 to 3 feet in the wild and flowering from January to March in southern India. Starting stevia from seeds is the popular practice. Some people take stevia to lower blood pressure, to treat diabetes, and to control high uric acid levels in the blood. Garlic is a commonly cultivated herb propagated by planting individual cloves in the ground. It is widely used around the world for its pungent flavor and health benefits. From reducing chances of prostate cancer to lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, garlic is the best herb. Also, it is a good pest deterrent for roses and vegetables if grown like companion plants. Green chireta or kalmeg. Green chireta or kalmeg is an erect annual herb, extremely bitter in taste. It grows to a height of 1 to 4 feet in moist shady places with smooth leaves and white flowers. Growing from seeds is the best choice as germination rate is quite high. Since ancient times, this is used as a wonder drug in traditional Ayurvedic systems of medicine as well as in tribal medicines in India. The plant extract contains anti-typhoid and antifungal properties, ensuring good health and immunity. Ginger is a perennial herb and produces an aromatic tuber-like rhizome. Most gingers in cultivation are grown from the edible rhizome and the flowers are very rare. Its anti-inflammatory and stress-relieving quality is very popular. Good for diabetic patients and curbs morning sickness if taken as herbal tea. A detailed video is up on my channel already. You can watch by clicking the link above. Indian pennyroot or thankuni. Indian pennyroot is a small creeping herb with green shovel-shaped leaves. Like strawberry, the runners produce roots and creeps along the ground. In Manipur and West Bengal, the full plant is eaten as food, like a leafy vegetable. It is described as a miracle herb in Ayurvedic as it is good in removing body toxins, treating ulcers and insomnia. Turmeric. It is a rhizomatous herb native to tropical South Asia, especially India. The rhizome is the main part which is used medicinally and in foods for both its flavor and color. In Ayurvedic, it is used as a herbal medicine for skin cancer, liver ailments, conjunctivitis, and healing wounds. Best way to propagate turmeric is planting rhizome in a fertile, well-draining soil. Thyme. Thyme or Brahmi is a perennial creeping herb whose habitat includes wetlands and muddy fields. Flowers are blue, purple or white in color and blooms whole year in hot Indian climate. Leaves and stems are usually used for medicinal purpose. It is a promising blood purifier and useful for our brain. Growing thyme from cuttings is the most easiest process, but you can also start thyme from seeds. So these are the 15 most important herbs which are easy to grow and highly beneficial for our health. They boost our immunity as well as protect us from several diseases. There are more amazing herbs with great benefits that can further improve our health. I will love to talk about that in another episode. Let me know how do you like this video in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe Gardening Escape for more garden related tips and tricks. Thanks for watching guys. Stay fit and happy gardening.